Ole, chen khatten ka pasal le fa te ron pho chhuak turin min zota. Ani pathum po in telveze lanin huama kan la ron tin na sadon ani. Tuna ero chuan kan chung kwa kanom khom mu man lo lai ani awangin film ngai na a omlova. Tun tuma chuan ka fa te thalak ka kol sa le film then khat koronda chhuak phote. Tuna thalak koronda chhuak ho hi kan fanu no pangzo Christine lal ruat diki kumsom pakwa ania. August thla atanga college than tu ni in le khazir chunga ma ni mamole thom no du ang leina nei lo awangin na thok na samaya tai le zan lama atho thin awangin ke chuna office kal nen tun lai chu kanin hmume ulo ani ber mai chuan kan fanu upazok kharen kumsom ni amizo ming Nunutei hi ni kumatangkan air hostess atanga Oslo le Florida a omber rawangin le anna a aboy em awangin Christmas nuwa kan lein mulawani chuan Paul som pani pas zo college kalma a natho masak emo zinnana hun man masak emo hi teirol tam takti dan ti kha hansoi lang telila sa playrol te zinkwal kan mu thin te po hi atlang puin college kalma a cholla anitlang pui chuan Nunutei hi social media active angrenga TikToka ada then khat koronda chhuak dona TikToka a video pakhat pe hi chuan 10.7 million mizo omzat let som deuh tho entu anei ve to ani.
Hi and welcome to a day in the life as a flight attendant for North Atlantic Airways. So today I had a flight from Oslo to New York and I love this route. It leaves in the evening, which means I have lots of time to get ready. And my roomie Mina came to join me. We're both cabin crew for Norse, but unfortunately we did not have this flight together, so I had to say goodbye to her. And then I took the bus and met up with my friend Carolina, who I'm bringing along with me on my layover. She's never been to New York, so we're both really excited. And then I met up with the crew and we headed to our gate and boarded the aircraft. We did our briefing and I had the door responsibility today, so I greeted all the passengers and checked their boarding passes. And once in the air, we prepared for the first meal service. My colleague didn't want to be in the shot, but he offered to film me, which was really nice. And once we were done with that, we dimmed the lights and kept ourselves busy while the passengers were sleeping. My break today was 2.5 hours long, which was incredible. I slept through the whole thing. And Carolina also had a good rest, as you can see. And I enjoyed my delicious vegan meal. 10 out of 10 would recommend. And then we sealed the galley and had a super smooth landing into the JFK airport. I opened the door and we deboarded the plane, picked up our checked luggage and headed towards the hotel, checked in and went to bed, and that was it. Good night! Welcome to another day in the life as a flight attendant for North Atlantic Airways. Today my alarm went off at 4:30, which is why I look so tired. I'm flying from Oslo to London and then straight back. And this is my second day in a row flying this route. Mina was going to bed, so we met in the bathroom. Then I took the bus and the train, where I managed to do some work for socials. Grabbed my breakfast at Joe and the Juice and met up with the crew. We boarded the aircraft and did our briefing in there. I got to sit in the flight deck today, which is always so fun. First, we needed to de-ice, but after a couple of minutes, we were ready for takeoff. The sky was so beautiful today. And once in the air, we had some fun and prepared the trolleys as usual. This was a super easy and quick flight, and we soon landed in Gatwick Airport in London. And then we boarded the other aircraft straight away. And on this flight, there were so many passengers, so the waist was completely full. But besides that, it was a super easy flight, and we landed back in Oslo. And that concludes my day. Bye!
Maybe I'm just crazy. Maybe I'm a fool. Maybe I don't know how to love that. Maybe I do. Maybe you know more than me, but this much is true. This little heart and brain of mine says I'm true with you.